Hey kids, are you ready to dive deep into the ocean and discover some amazing sea creatures? Let's get started. First, we meet Sammy, the starfish. Sammy has 5 arms and loves to dance on the ocean floor. Next, let's swim to see Oscar the octopus. Oscar has 8 long, wiggly arms and can change colors to hide from danger. Isn't that cool? Now let's find Sally the sea turtle. Sally swims gracefully with her flippers and has a hard shell to protect her. She can live for many, many years. Wow, look, there's Benny the blue whale. Benny is the largest animal on Earth and loves to sing beautiful songs. Can you hear him? Let's not forget Dory the dolphin. Dory is super friendly and loves to jump and play in the water. She can make clicking sounds to talk to her friends. Finally, let's meet Phil the fish. Phil comes in all sorts of colors and sizes. Some fish even have stripes or spots. The ocean is full of wonders, and we've met just a few of its amazing creatures today. Remember, kids, the sea is a magical place, and there are always new friends to discover. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Looking for more fun activities for your kids? Click the link in the description.